All right, you guys, I went ahead and finished out the 20 minutes. These are not my best results because I had to keep pausing, but it says in 20 years I made 269,000. If I get 6%, I can retire in 20 years with 864,000. Do you know that the computer wins 70% of the time? Well, it didn't beat me. I beat the computer. Computer only had 231,000 at the end. I had 269,000. I wonder if you can beat the computer. All right, so here's the breakdown, right? So the total income that we received and then the money that we earned off of that. My highest performer was an index fund at 31%. I was dumping my money into index funds. I don't really get this. My lowest performer was crop commodity at 68%. That was a negative number, I'd get it, but I'm not really sure what the deal is there. So my investment portfolio, I had basically no just a little itty bitty savings. I'm not sure. Index funds, I had 185,000. Individual stocks, government bonds, gold, and pocket cash. So it breaks down my portfolio. So this is the time frame. It picks a 20-year time frame and uses real data from that to evaluate your performance. So this was from 1991 to 2011. Remember, we had the 2007 stock or economic meltdown. So depending on how you were selecting stocks or investments, you did better or worse. And then brings me down to my leaderboard, which, yahoo, I crushed it. All right, ladies and gents. So make sure that you give me this information, at least at a minimum. I want to see a screenshot of this right here and of your leaderboard. All right, have fun, you guys.